Ethereum ETF approval, odds surge to 75%, ETH price jumps 8%. Bloomberg ETF analysts change their predictions as background noises from the SEC start. Bloomberg ETF analysts Seyffart Balchunas and James Seyffart increased to 75% their odds of a spot Ethereum exchange-traded fund being approved in the U.S. The previous odds were 25%. As a result, Ethereum leapt 8.3% after the news. If you're new to our channel, then subscribe and stay connected with us by like, comment, and share this video. Previously, both analysts explained that the low odds were related to the lack of background noise made by the SEC asking players about the ETF approval. However, due to political issues, Balchunas stated on X that the U.S. regulator will be doing a 180 on this. Moreover, the odds at 75% are substantial, since Seyffart and Balchunas are still waiting on filing documents to boost it higher. Seyffart joked on X about being criticized by Ethereum bulls, since he and Balchunas were previously quenching their hopes up until now. Never gonna hear the end of this from the ETH people in my replies if this turns out to be true, but it's what we're hearing from multiple sources. Should see a bunch of filings over coming days if we're correct, he posted on X. The first deadline for an ETF approval is on May 23, when the SEC must decide on VanEck's Ethereum ETF filing. On the following day, the deadline for the ARK21 shares Ethereum ETF also expires. The last deadline for this month is set for May 30, when the regulator must decide on #NASDAQ Ethereum ETF filing. As reported by Crypto Briefing, not even notorious fund managers were expecting a spot Ethereum ETF approval in the U.S. this week. Catherine Dowling, General Counsel for ETF applicant Bitwise, said that most people are universally expecting a disapproval order. VanEck CEO Jan Van Eck also predicted a likely denial during a CNBC interview. In the last 24 hours, nearly $150 million in short positions were liquidated in crypto derivatives, according to data aggregator CoinGlass. Of that total, $35.3 million were related to positions shorting ETH. Standard Chartered expects Ether ETF approval this week, reiterates year-end target of $8,000. Standard Chartered expects Ether ETFs to be approved this week, leading to inflows of between $15 billion and $45 billion in the first 12 months. The bank's note on Tuesday reiterated that ETFs could drive Ether to the 8,000 level by the end of 2024. Standard Chartered expects the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission to approve Ether ETFs this week. The first round of spot Ether ETF deadlines is fast approaching, with VanEck on May 23 and ARK Invest by 21 shares on May 24. Speaking to the block, Standard Chartered Bank head of FX Research and Digital Assets Research Jeff Kendrick said he is 80% to 90% sure that Ether ETF will be approved this week. After approval, we estimate that spot ETF will drive inflows of 2.39 to 9.15 million Ether in the first 12 months after approval, Kendrick said, adding, in US dollar terms, that equates to roughly $15 billion to $45 billion. For more in-depth analysis and exclusive content, visit our website at financialmarkets.online. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest financial trends.